Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Reaching Riches here. So I wanted to give you guys an update on my options trading that I've been doing. Um, I know it's been a while. It's been about a month and a half or so, and that's due to me being stuck in this TNA trade for a lot longer than I thought I would be. So now that I'm out of it, I'm gonna update you guys with everything that's happened. All right, so let's go into the spreadsheet here. All right, um, so as you can see here on April 5th, I got out of this coin trade, and then on the 8th, which should be that Monday, I immediately opened up a TNA trade. My price was 39.34 per share, or a total value of $3,934, and I immediately sold a 39.50 strike on that. Has 100 shares or one contract. I collected $130, and I didn't sell the shares because it expired. It expired below my strike at 35.80. This is pretty much when that whole April madness was happening. So TNA was dropping a lot. So yeah, so it expired below my strike. So it expired on the 12th of April, and I paid nothing to close it because it expired. I made no gains because I'm still holding it. But premium was 130, so that's good. So the following week, which was April 15th, I still had the same purchase price. I moved down my strike to 38.50, same 100 contracts, but I collected only $20 here. I didn't sell it, but I did buy to close it. Um, so I believe, if I can remember properly, I believe I closed it for like 75% profit. I saw it drop really quickly, which is here. So I opened it the 15th and I closed it the 16th, and I collected like 75%. So 75% of the 20 would be for $16 profit, and here you see debit close was $4. So that's what happened here. I closed it early just because I locked in so much profit already. And then I opened up another one same day, and I moved it down to 35.50 strike. So I know that's dangerous to do when you're doing cover calls, is selling below your cost basis, but it was dropping. So I was like, well, I want to make more money. Hopefully it doesn't hit my strike. And we'll see how that played out for me. All right, so 100 shares still. I collected $25 for this one. Um, I didn't sell it, and it expired here. And so it closed below my strike on the 19th at 32.73. So that was pretty much the low. So I got to keep that full $25. And then the next week, which was the 22nd, I still used the same shares. Chose a 35 strike, so I bumped it down again. 100 shares again, but this time I collected $42 here. I didn't sell anything, but this one I ended up rolling it because it started coming up. So yeah, so it broke my strike at 35.07. So I ended up having to roll it on the 24th, and I paid $61. So that's not good. That's a loss of $19 right there. So I took a loss of $19 just to roll it out because I didn't want it to expire way below my cost basis of 39.34. So I rolled it out, and on the 24th, um, so when I closed it, I made another trade, and I chose a 39 strike this time. So pretty much near my cost basis of where I bought it here. So I chose a 39 strike, collected $22, which pretty much wipes out this loss here. And I ended up rolling it again. So on the 25th, I rolled it. I don't remember why I rolled it, but I paid $17 to close, which means net $5 gain. yeah, I don't remember why I wrote that one. So here on the 25th, um, let me see if I can remember. $22, 17.5. Yeah, I don't remember. All right, so here on the 25th, I moved down my strike to 35, or 37.50, and I collected $37 here. And this one, I bought the close early. It closed below my strike on that day at 33.93, and let's see. I don't remember why. Sorry, it's been a while. I need to start taking more notes here, but I don't remember why I closed it. I think it was coming up. I don't remember, but I closed it for $25, which means I locked in a profit of $12 here. And then on May 1st, still using the same shares, I chose a 38 strike, collected $40. And then I ended up rolling it on the 8th, which is what? So one on the 8th. Okay, here. Yep, on the 8th of Wednesday. And it closed above my strike, which is probably why I rolled it, because it was coming really near my strike. Paid $55 to close that, and took a net loss of $15. So not too good here. I really didn't want to get exercised, or have it expire below my cost basis of 39. But let's go and see what happened here. So on the 9th, same cost basis. I chose a 39.50, which is above my cost basis, which made me happy that I can close it, or if it can expire above, and then it will get called away. Anyway, so moving on. So 100 shares, collected $91 here, and this one I did sell it at that $39.50. It was assigned, and it closed that day at $40.30, or $40.30, and that was on the 17th. So gains from that sale, which is going to be $39.34 minus $39.50, which is $16. Also collected at $91 in premiums, and that was a net gain of 107. All right, so let's go and look here. So if we look here, that was a sum total of $261. So not that great. That was a really rough month of April, where it just dropped super quick, and then it started to recover also really quickly. I mean, that's what you get with these leverage funds. They can drop fast and then recover really fast. And I definitely rode that wave, but in the end, I did come out on top with a $261 gain. So if we look here, this was my cost basis, or my purchase price. Collected $261, or $2.61 per share. So my true cost basis was $36.73. So if you're really doing it well, you can technically sell above. You can sell calls above this number, and you would still be okay. But I really wanted it to be above this number, which I believe is why I kept rolling it out to be above my cost basis here. So for the month of April, total, I only locked in $169, which is not that great. Just taking into account how much time I was putting into this. But right now, May is looking not too bad, 312. I am playing SOXL. This is my first trade with this. So I have a cost basis, or a purchase price of $46.05, a strike of $46.50, 100 shares, and I collected $220, which is pretty great. The volatility is definitely there, and this one is pending. So right now, if we go and look at SOXL, It is definitely above my purchase price, so you can see it here. Where is it? Sorry, it's right there. Sorry. All right, so my purchase price is 46.05, and it's currently at 48. So very high likelihood that this is going to expire and these are going to get called away, which is exactly what I want. I don't really care for the price appreciation. I will get like 50 cents or 45 cents in price appreciation, but I don't really care for that. It's just a bonus if I do get some. Really, I'm just here for the premiums, which is at 220. So if we go into my call, so right here. So I got that $2.20 per contract. So that 220 is what I collected. This is what I'm here for. Not really the appreciation. If I get appreciation, that's great. If I don't, as long as it gets called away is all I care about. Otherwise, I'm probably going to get stuck in another TNA thing again. But looking at SOXL, the volatility is a lot more. So even if it does drop, I might be able to collect a lot better premiums than I did with TNA. So this is going to expire, and I might jump in again next week, but we will see. Once I finish playing SOXL, I'll probably give you guys another update. But that is it for now. Just wait till the next update. If you guys like the video, please hit the like button below. If you're not subscribed and you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just for fun and entertainment. All right, I'm out.